Hello everyone, my name is Catherine and I am going to be making a stamp, two stamps out of a cork. I am really liking how these stamps out of corks are turning out, so I am making more of them. Today I am making stamps that are hearts. And I've drawn hearts on both ends, and just as with the hexagon stamps, I want to do one that is solid and one that is open in the middle. So the first thing that I have to do is take and cut the cork in half. So open up my knife, very scientifically find the middle of this cork. I have absolutely scientific eyes, you see? So that's how it's scientific. You believe me, don't you? Just rolling it and cutting and trying to keep my line even and straight and in the middle-ish. There we go. See? That worked out perfectly. I didn't startle myself at all. Just put that away. Just set it aside. That one ended up a bit crooked, but that's okay. Whatever. Doesn't matter. It'll stamp just the same. Alright, and then I'm going to take my X-Acto knife. And for the first one, I'm going to do this one solid, so I'm just going to go straight down. And then on the side, like we usually do, find the side that I made the first cut on, maybe, and just cut in, and hopefully, aha, didn't. There we go. Okay, perfect. That was exactly how I intended it. Worked out beautifully. 100%. Okay, and then just work my way around. Go trying to keep my depth even, sort of, kind of. Trying to make sure that I get a curve from a straight line, which can be done. Trying not to get the Sharpie that I drew this on all over my fingers, because Sharpie doesn't stick well to the cork, but it does stay on long enough that I can cut out the shape, which is really all I need. And I don't want something that's ink absorbent or it won't stamp, so it is a good thing, I promise. Come on, you. There we go. Okay. Piece off. And then over here, just the same way. And just taking away little pieces at a time. There we go. Let's cut down to the center there. And then cut out an angle sort of like that on both sides, so that we're taking out sort of radial pieces, with that center being the center part. Okay, and then cut sort of away like that, and then away like that, and just in a sort of curve, maybe, sort of, kind of. There we go. And then outward in a sort of curve, kind of a little bit, hopefully. Okay, that should be fairly heart-shaped, I think. Let's stamp it and see. Okay, where's my stamping paper? There it is. All right, and an ink pad. Okay, take and get it good and inky, and then stamp. Well, it's sort of spotty. I don't know. Might need to be more rounded right here-ish and here. All right, let's try that again. Good and inky, and then stamp and kind of around a little bit. Make sure you make good contact. Yeah, other than when I fudged it right there, that is a heart. Heart. Okay, one side done. Solid side done. Easy side done. Now the other side. Same thing for the outside and then working in. Go. Brush that to the side. And cut down. And at about right there, I think. Yep. Practice makes something akin to something good, hopefully. All right, and then that part, sort of straightish, maybe, hopefully, kind of, a little bit. Okay, and then try to curve it upwards just a little bit here. And the same for the other side. Got ink all over myself already. It's fine, doesn't matter. Okay. Curved that more. All right, now the center. Okay. There and there and there. And then turn it on its side and try and cut at an even depth while making sure to pull my fingers away if I accidentally threaten to cut myself. Just remember, everybody, safety first. Don't cut yourself, and don't blame me if you do, because I told you to be safe. Go. And then there. Okay. Outside of the heart, done. Now for the inside of the heart. Just kind of cut around it, I think, first thing. Like we did the hexagon. I don't remember how I did the hexagon. I've already forgotten. That was like a long time ago. But I'm pretty sure this is how I did it. And I know what you're going to say. I could just look back at my video, but that would be cheating. And I'm not a cheater, you guys. Except when it suits me. then I totally am. But only then, not any other time. All right. Around the inside of the heart. There we go, that seems to have done it. All right, and then kind of just section it off, I think. Okay, and then sort of break it out, maybe, hopefully. Ooh, without trying to break the... Here, let me try and see if I can't pry against the inside bit. That might be the best thing to do, because I caused a little crack in that outside edge there, which I do not want. Might try gluing that, although I don't know how well glue is going to hold on to the cork. We may see. Go. And just kind of break it away to create a hollow space. And maybe cut underneath that one. Okay. Tap the bits of cork out. Try and scrape it out and clean it up just a little bit, maybe. Without wrecking everything that we've done so far. Okay, then try and stamp it. Just a little bit. Okay, make sure everything's in place. Grab back our ink. All right, now here's the true test. See if we can stamp it. Good and inky. Stamp. Haha! It's a heart, you guys. It's a heart. We have succeeded. Another set of stamps done. Our collection is quickly growing. I'm gonna have to make some way to store all of these. That's okay. I say that like I don't already have something in mind. You'll see it soon enough. And, oh, remember to subscribe and like the video if you like it. And leave a comment if you have things that you would like to see me make stamps of. Otherwise, I think I'm going to keep doing basic shapes for a bit. Maybe do like a flower or, I don't know. We'll have to see. But I will see you guys all later. Bye!